Good morning everyone, and this is a special video today because it is Elena's first birthday. So yes, it's the 9th of April 2026 and she's 1 today. This year has gone like ridiculously quick. It doesn't seem 2 minutes ago that she was born, but she's already 1. So yeah, we've got a busy day planned. We've got soft play in the morning, which is the first time she's ever been to that, and then we're going to Nando's for her very first Nando's. So yeah, and then I think we've got grandparents visiting in the afternoon, so a busy day. And then tomorrow we're going to some nature centre in Birmingham. I don't know exactly where, but you'll see. So yeah, let's see how the day goes.
What's this? Look, it's for your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elena. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! It's your birthday. Was all that for you?
Oh, look at what Mommy's done for your birthday. Oh, there's a flat balloon there.
Oh, one must have died in the night. I thought one had a hole in. I thought I could hear the air coming out. Oh, Pappy, it'll make you bum.
Oh. Oh, you know the cameras, don't you?
Yeah.
You know the cameras, don't you? You're going to be a poser. Yeah. In a few years, we'll have you presenting the videos, have your own YouTube channel and everything. You can open your presents, poser. Yeah? Yeah, stop posing for the camera and open your presents.
What's this?
No! Ow! Ow!
Did we open your presents then? Oh. So we open them. What's this? Oh. Kisses off Mummy and Daddy. And it's a summer outfit. It's a new outfit for the summer. Oh, look. Minnie Mouse. Ooh. You look nice in that, won't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I think this one's off Nanny Wendy. Oh, that sounds fun. Look, Elena.
Oh.
That sounds fun.
Then I'm off.
Elena, you gonna do? Easy. Oh, you're gonna like this.
Wow, it's a noisy ball.
Wow. How do we get it out?
Nanny Wendy with her usual over-the-top wrapping skills.
There we go. What's that?
Oh. Wow, what's that?
Is that from Nanny Wendy?
Yay.
Hey, thank you, Nanny. So we have a look at this one. This one's off Auntie Tracy. Mummy will have to open this because there's lots of tape. You got a new ball. You like balls, don't you? Card.
Oh.
Oh, a nice summer hat. And a nice, oh, that's
Wow.
nice. Oh, look what Auntie Tracy got you. That's nice.
Wow.
And look at your new hat. Wow.
What you got all around your face, Trouble?
Oh, you're going to look super cute in that.
Wow.
Oh, that's really nice.
You keep turning round, Bean.
Let me open your card.
Hey, you got milk around your face, you scruff.
Oh, happy birthday to Elena. Happy first birthday. With love, Auntie Tracy, Uncle Chris and family.
There you go.
That's nice.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Abba.
Oh, should we open this one? I think this one's from Uncle Craig. Let's have a look. What we got from Uncle Craig? Oh, something very useful.
Oh, nappies. Can't go wrong with that, can you?
Very useful. Thank you, Uncle Craig.
There you go.
And you got a card.
Let me guess. To Elena from Craig. Now somebody spotted the open gate and he's going to make a run for it.
For a special niece to Elena. Oh, love from
Wow,
Uncle Craig.
bloody hell. That's an upgrade.
You're privileged.
Whoa, that's more than anyone else gets from him.
You're privileged.
Oh, what's next? Oh, next present. You have a look.
Oh, this is from Nanny Lily.
Oh.
Nanny Lily. Mummy's voice is stupid. Oh, look at that. This
Wow.
is a summer jacket.
Look at that.
That's so cute. Oh, look at that.
There you go, Bean. Look at that. What do you think?
Wow, that's so nice. And then, what else we got? This is from Mary. It's from Mary and Frank and James.
Wow.
What's this? Oh, look at this. Wow, you're going to like that. Also, it matches your room perfectly.
Oh, look at that.
Jungles.
Look at that.
Jungle animals.
That'll match your bedroom, won't it?
You got another card. Oh my god.
You know what they are, don't you?
Today to Elena. Happy first birthday. Hope you have the most magical day. Lots of love, Mary, James and Frank.
Yay.
You're so funny. Daddy will open that ball for you in a minute. And this one's from Nanny Wendy. Let's see what this one is.
Boom. Wah. Cheeky. Look behind you. Oh.
Ah.
Look at that, Bean.
Elena's first birthday.
Yeah. Now, Daddy'd already seen this.
Wow. Mummy hasn't seen this yet. Wow.
Well, she's more interested in the balloon.
This is a story of Elena on her very first birthday. She was born on the 9th of April 2025. Elena's home is in Cradley Heath, where she lives with Mummy and Daddy. The Bridgens family, that's us.
Don't rip it.
It's gentle because this was expensive, I think. Elena is too excited to go to sleep the night before her birthday. She thinks about all the treats and surprises that could be planned. But the sooner she falls asleep, the sooner it will be her special day. It's the 9th of April. Mummy, Daddy and Elena wake up early in the morning so they can start the celebrations. Wow. Elena opens her lovely presents. She likes the ribbon and paper most of all.
That's true.
It's a special day in Elena's house, filled with birthday fun, love and laughter. Oh, be gentle with it. There's only one thing better than presents, and that is birthday cake. Elena has a delicious cake for everyone to share. We're going to get you a cake later, aren't we? Elena loves the twinkly candles, best of all, and helps to blow them out. Happy birthday, Elena. After all the presents, tasty food and excitement of the day, Elena can't wait to do it all again next year. Mwah. Night night. To Elena, happy first birthday. Lots of love from Nanny Wendy and Grandad Barry. Oh, that's beautiful.
Say thank you.
And thank you, Nanny and Grandad. That's so lovely.
There you go.
It's of Mummy and Daddy.
Wow,
And
more clothes.
It's another summer outfit. Oh, look how cute you're looking this one. You're going to look so cute in your little Bambi outfit. Oh, it's so nice. It's so cute. Like you. You want to look? Come on then, have a look.
More interest in the tag.
As always.
Yeah.
It's your birthday present. It's for the summer. You can wear that when we go on holiday. Let me put it up here. Ready? You want to try and open it?
No.
No? Okay. Yeah. What's this? Oh, you're going to play with your nappies. Okay. And you got some Hello Kitty pyjamas.
I wonder who picked those.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Look, Hello Kitty pyjamas. Oh, they're nice. They're nice. And then it's the last one for now until Nanny Julie comes round later. And then you'll have more presents.
That's for one. You got your big present.
Oh yeah, I forgot about your big present.
Yeah, oh, bye.
Where you going?
Bye. Gotta come back. Gotta open your last presents.
Come here. What's this?
No.
Elena, what's this one?
Ah, cheeky. Gotta climb up the sofa. No, you can stand up. Gotta help us. Oh, it's some socks.
These are off Nanny Wendy. Some sockies.
Can't go wrong with socks.
You always need socks.
Now we'll get you back ready for your big present. Time for your last and biggest present.
Ready?
Oh.
What's this? Hey. Oh. Mwah. I love you. What's this? Wow, look. What's this?
It's a bluey.
Bluey ride-on.
Yeah, wow. That's going to be good, isn't it?
Daddy can set that up for you later.
Wow.
And you can sit on it.
See if you like it.
You can sit on it.
And scoot around the house.
Wow.
So we'll get that built and you can try it later. Say, thank you everyone for my presents.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Does she like her new scooter? Wow, look at that. Wow. Gonna scoot over this way. Wow, don't fall off. Whoa. Whee. Oh, look at you scooting. Oh, so my back's hurting, so I'm filming from sitting down rather than getting up and going closer.
Let's see. You use your feet and you push. You push with your feet.
Oh, what do you think? That's it. Wow. Looks like she's sat on an armchair. She's just chilling. Oh. Once you figure out how to move that, you're going to be all over the gaff, innit? Whoa, he's scooting.
Do you like it?
Oh, she's going to try to climb off.
Got it. I'm trying to get off.
Try that again later. So here we are at Nando's for Elena's first ever Nando's. Whoa! And what are you going to have? Don't think she's sure what she's going to have. I'm guessing chicken, so let's see. So have you enjoyed your birthday so far? Yeah, been to soft play. And Nando's, and then Nanny's and Grandad's are coming to see you later, aren't they? Yeah, you can't have the camera. Someone's getting grumpy, waiting for her dinner, weren't you? Yes. So we're just waiting for your chicken to arrive. What have you had? So I've had the chicken breast and peri tamer, chips and cucumber sticks. Yeah. And you have the extra hot sauce on it. Yeah. Oh, Elena's dinner's arrived. Wow. Lorna's had butterfly chicken medium, but with chips and garlic bread. And I've had butterfly chicken medium with 2 chips. Can't go wrong there, can we? Time to dig in. Oh, what do you think? Oh, throwing it on the floor. That's normal, she normally does that. Oh, is that nice? Oh, yummy, yummy. Can't go wrong with the chips, can ya? Yeah. Oh, is that nice? What was the final verdict then? Did you enjoy it? You've had some of it.
Yeah, I get some of it. There's a lot on the floor.
It made a bit of a mess as usual, but as long as you've enjoyed it, that's the main thing. Time for the best part of the day. It's birthday cake time!
Yeah, cake. Elena, want some cake?
Oh. Oh, she's not keen.
You don't want any cake? Yeah.
You still full from your dinner?
Maybe.
Oh, so Mummy, you try a bit so I know it's good.
Oh. I threw it on the floor. Mmm.
Oh, Mummy's eating the cake.
Yummy. No.
I'll say thank you, Nanny Wendy, for my birthday present. Oh! Whee!
Any more?
Oh. Daddy, have some. Elena, have some. Have some birthday cake.
I put my keys down over there, Brad.
Yeah. You can eat your cake. Ah, eat it now. Daddy, eat some more. Yummy, yummy. That's alright, isn't it? Come on, Relay, this is your milk ladder thing.
Well, we need you to eat this. It's cooking check, see if you can eat milk.
So the baby won't eat cake. You've got some chocolate now. Oh. Is that nice?
I like to get here between 10 and past in the morning.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to part 2, day 2 of Elena's birthday. So today we've come to
The Nature Centre in Birmingham.
There we go. Don't know much about this place. Never been here. Animals, basically. So yeah, some sort of little zoo thing. And then we're going to have a look around Canhill Park and hopefully fly the drone this time if we're allowed to here. So she's all wrapped up. Where are you? There she is. Oh, you got a fly in you. Oh no. Are you excited? Yeah. Let's go and see. Here we go. Birmingham Wildlife Conservation Park. So there's a few banners outside for what we'd like to see in here, so let's get in there. Welcome. So here's what we've got to look at today. What's that? 38 things to see.
Am I right?
Yes, this is the first one. Just make him out there in the bottom left corner. It's a lot of glare, a lot of reflection. You can see more of us than you can of the monkey, but he's definitely in there. Look at this realistic pond turtle. That's definitely real. Now imagine the real ones are I mean, the clue is in the name pond turtle. I imagine they're in there somewhere, but see him spotting from the other side.
Is it like a baby?
Yeah, he's got a little one. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It's probably a she if she's got a baby.
Again, I don't know how much you can make out on here.
Oh,
Little family.
it's like us, me, you and Daddy.
Yeah. Well, they still do.
What do you think of the monkey? Ah. I don't know.
That's what I just asked him.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments, is that the monkey's bum or his other bits? Yeah, it's a good point Lorna's just made there. This is not something you expect to see in the middle of Birmingham city centre, but here we are. These are some sort of deers of some description who are just chilling. Yes, hello, we're talking about you. What do you think? Oh, what do you think of the deers? Can you see them? Oh, over there, aren't they? What do you think? It's like a moat. It's very neat. These are lemurs, we believe. Again, there's a lot of reflection, but just make out the lemurs in there. All having a wash, nice. So, feeding time at 2:30. If we're over this way, might see that.
There's 3 of them.
Yeah, again, don't know how much you'll make out in here, but that's some sort of. What's the screen say to your right? I'll tell you what it is.
Northern losing a giant cloud rat.
Oh, it's a rat.
It's a big ass rat. Imagine finding that, yeah.
Is that imagine how often you play?
Woohoo!
We pulled out in front of our house the other day and your dad actually quite
Here's
like
the
them
sloth.
to look at.
Here he is, moving at full speed.
I love sloth.
Oh, he's going a bit fast. Slow down.
Where is they? Oh yes.
They're so cool. Oh, look.
Oh, he's come to say hello to you, Elena. Oh, has the sloth come to say hello to Elena?
I just know how to take the place.
Yeah. Oh, look at him.
He hasn't got a commute to worry about or anything. Oh. It's a bearded dragon, yeah, bearded lizard, sorry. Baba.
Talking.
Ah, are you talking to the animals? Yeah. You having fun? Yeah. Poke. Ah, cheeky. You still tired? Anyone spot any sort of lizards? There he is. I think he should just like make him out on there through the glare. Sneaky little crocodile lizard hiding. So there's the emerald tree monitor.
I've got it. Oh, yeah.
And where's this next one hiding? Let's have a look. Ah, there he is, right down the corner there. There's a little hiding space. The camera can focus on him. There he is. So Lorna's clocked the tiny little monkey down there. What sort of monkey is it? He's having a dig. Here's the sacred ibis or something like that. They've got a good setter there and they stand on top of the shed. Oh, and there's another one up there as well. I assume that ticking noise is something that's touching the electric fence, maybe. Don't know how well that audio's coming through, but constant sort of electrical ticking noise. Elena's nearly asleep, bless her. Unless, hopefully she'll see some more. There's another weird bird thing, to use the technical term. Having his dinner. There's another one over there in the tree. I'm going to get you! Ah! Ah! Ah, I'm going to come and get you! Ah! Now it feels like we're back in Birmingham city centre. Just come so near the edge. There's a Costa, Asda Express and a Greggs. Ooh, if only I could hop the fence and come back in. Oh well. First of all though, the Dragon's Lair. This guy's a unit. Oh dear, you scary bean. He's okay, he can't get you, he's behind the glass. He's a unit, isn't he? These attack humans, apparently.
It's a Komodo dragon.
Apparently they attack humans.
Whoa.
In 1980, the Komodo National Park was established.
He's a beast.
Is
there anyone in here? Might be another one outside. Oh, he's a beast. Couple little monkeys in there if you can make them out. It's weird, this camera's picking up a flickering light. Oh, didn't even see that guy, yeah, well spotted. Didn't even see that. It's a Patagonian Mara, there you go. I'll dub some audio over the top of this later. Oh, is it nice? Yeah. Yeah. Lorna's happy, she's got a Cornish pasty. And I've got chips. So it's very noisy in here. It's a really nice white car over there. I don't know if you can see through the fences. Yeah, really nice white white Fiesta. Yeah, it's a nice car, that is. Lol. It's a nice soothing area to the waterways join. Assume all this is man-made, so man-made channels cut out for the park, I would imagine. Yeah, because Canhill Park is obviously just adjacent to this, which we'll probably end up at shortly. Here are the meerkats.
Oh, look, they're really close. Look at all those carrots.
What do you think, Bean? What do you think of the meerkat? Ah, cheeky.
Can you see it?
Let's make him out there, some sort of monkey. Oh, he's off.
Oh, they're tiny. Oh, look. Can we have one of them?
No.
Why are you boring?
Because we don't live in a zoo.
So, a beaver or an
Otter.
Was it one of his tasks is to be able to write his name? So she took the photograph of it. But I went and I got the cleaners covered and I got in all the stuff to clean him. And
Oh, he's gone.
teacher.
These are the, well, they sort of look like emus, but they're called rheas, I think. Rhea, have you pronounced it? Sort of emu looking things. They must not mind the road noise as they're right by the main road. Oh, here comes one. Here we go then, so that appears to be it for this park. Just the obligatory gift shop.
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.
Is it funny? Is it funny?
You can't have the camera. So thank you for joining us for Elena's special birthday. So that was her first birthday, got up quite a bit. There she's down there. Yes, so it was a good time. She seemed to enjoy herself, didn't you? Oh, you seemed to enjoy yourself, didn't you? Yeah. So yes, thank you for joining us. So yeah, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all the usual. excuse the mess in the house. We've been literally out for days now. So today's house tidy day, yay. But yeah, join us next video because tomorrow we're going to
Twycross Zoo.
Twycross Zoo. So yeah, we hope to see you there. Bye.